Hi guys, hello, welcome back. So in today's video I will be sharing my winter skincare routine, and I'll be sharing both AM and PM skincare routine. So my AM skincare routine is very basic. I just splash some water on my face and apply this Aveeno cream while it's still wet, so that I don't know, I just like applying products over wet skin. I feel it absorbs much better. And if you have not tried this trick yet, then yeah, I would highly recommend you to give this a shot, and I am pretty sure you're gonna love it and you won't go back. So my AM skincare routine is very basic. I just use a moisturizer and then I apply my sunscreen over it. Also, I am filming this video in natural sunlight just so you know how my skin actually looks like. The next thing that I'm doing is I'm taking this Blossom Couture sunscreen, which has SPF 15 and PA triple plus. And yes, you do need sunscreen even when you're indoors, because of course the sun rays can reach you even while you're indoors. I make sure I apply it everywhere, including my neck, also the back of my neck and my ears. And yeah, we are done. That is my AM skincare routine. Now let's move on to the interesting part. That's my PM skincare routine. So I'll take this Cetaphil cleanser and I just cleanse my face with this, and you can clearly tell I really love this cleanser because I have a 1 liter bottle of this cleanser and I have literally been using this cleanser for years now. And I just massage it on my face for 1 minute and then wash my face. For a minute I forgot what I was supposed to do next. But yeah, I go in with my toner. So I'm using the Dermafic toner today. I just take some on my palm and gently pat it on my skin. While applying your skincare or while layering up skincare products, just make sure that you're using the thinnest product first and then the thickest later on. Moving on to the serum or the treatment stage of my skincare routine, I will be using the vitamin C serum from Claire's, and yeah, you guys must have seen my review on this one. I am totally a fan of vitamin C, and I would highly recommend people who are struggling with acne marks or hyperpigmentation. Next, I will go in with this Bye Bye Dark Circles Eye Cream by Mama Earth, and I just take some on my ring finger and apply it on my dark circles. I also have a review for this one up on my channel, and I will leave a link in the description in case you missed it. Next, going in with the M Caffeine Coffee Face Serum. I really like how hydrating this is, and I follow these many steps just because my skin is like super dry. If you don't have very dry skin, then I'm sure you can use a basic moisturizer and be done with it. But yeah, look at the dropper of this one, and I said this in my review as well that the dropper on this one is really bad, but the I only tolerate this product because the formula is very good. So yeah, again I massage that onto my skin. Now going on again with my moisturizer. This moisturizer is like my savior, especially in winters. Like no other moisturizer really helps my skin in winters except for this one. And I just wanted to tell you that I was not comfortable showing my skin without my makeup for a very long time, but yeah, just making some changes in my skincare routine has helped me a lot. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.